Hello guys, welcome to my another video tutorial of Java. In this video I am going to discuss about arrays in Java. The arrays are basically the collection of similar data type, or we can also say that it is the collection of homogeneous set of elements. But these elements which stored in array are continuous memory allocation, and it is also known as static data structure because the size of array is fixed. And Moreover, in Java, arrays are similar to objects, and an array is a container object that holds fixed number of values of same or single or similar data type. There are 1D array, 2D array, and 3D array. But in this video, I am going to firstly discuss about 1D array. Here you can see in Notepad that there are the three ways in which I can create array in Java. The first one is simple without using of new operator, and the second and third one with the help of new operator. And let's see, this is my package and I'm going to make class here, class demo arrays, selecting the main method and finish. Okay, now first of all I can make any kind of array like integer, double, float, char. So this is simple array 1, and these square brackets define that this is the array, and after that the brackets. This is the one simple way to declaring array: 20, 30, 45, 55, 66. The other way is int. I can use square bracket before and after the array declaration, and new int, after that square brackets and semicolon. Now we can use and the third one int array 3 new int and square bracket like 5. Okay, in first two array I am just declaring the values to array which define the size of array, and the third one here I define the size of array, that array should store only 5 elements. But in first two array the value is already there in index value, in particular index value, but in third one each and every index value contain only 0 value. For that we can see with simple system out println I can check any value with the name of array, and after that index value, for example 0 for array 1, index value 0. After that copy it, paste, for example index value 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. If I want to check it, let me change value so that we do not get any confusion about it, and save, execute it. Okay, now you can see that I can assign you can check any value from their index value, and for the other one just copy it and paste array 2, array 2, array 2, 2 and again 2, save it and execute. Here we get second array values, and for third one we have just 3, 3, change that name of array and now execute it. Here you can see that first array value is already declared at in source file, second and third we have only 0, but we define the size of array over here. And okay, what we have next, Okay, we can check the size of array by simply using the one built-in property for array, that is length. We can do for that, what can we can do. Okay, let's see. System out println double quote size of array1 is equal to plus 1 dot length. That's it. Okay, the size of array is 5. Basically, dot length return us an integer value. We can also do the same thing. Int s1 for size is equal to array dot length, and we can use that s1 over here. Now execute it. Again, the size of array 1 is 5. And if I change make another value provided and execute, now the size of array 1 is 6. Here the index value, it starts from 0, after that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total there are 6 elements, but the starting value is 0 to 5 and ending value is 5. Okay, and next we have, okay, this is an important, these are two important points, that array will always begin with 0 index and we cannot access array element beyond the range. And suppose I want to change here 6. Actually it has 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I want to access 6th location of the array, then what Java compiler will give us an error message, that is java.lang.arrayIndex out of bound exception. It means we are just trying to access the value which is not there. So index value must be within the range, like this. 5, we got 77 from here. And after that, this is an important point here, the reference of array. Now what I have done here, the size of array 3 is 5. Let me show you. Copy it and paste for size 3 array 3, and here 3, also here 3. If I check the size of array, that is 5. If I reassign that array and some new size, new int, and that size is 10, double, and I want to check it again, so let it copy from here, or I can make a new size variable, that is new size variable 4, array same, and here should be new reference. Now let's see what. Okay, initially when first I declare the array 3 with size 5, and again I reassign that array new size, that is 10. So we can change the reference of array with the help of new operator with new reference, and it can provide the new size. It can be higher or smaller. Moreover, in array we have an inbuilt function, that is array copy, which help us to copy the array values from one array to another array, that is our destination array, we can say. For this we can use this function. It is basically a static function which exists in system class, so I do not have to put import in the beginning of our program. And here it is the source array, the index value of source array from where it want to start from 0 or somewhere. After that, second array, that is destination array, index of destination array source index, and length of the array, how much value we have to copy from first array to second array. For this, let me, okay, we have array 3. Now I want to copy second array element, second array elements to third array. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I am going to copy second array elements to third array. For that, I can use system dot array copy. Now it has 5 parameters. The first one should be used for source array, that is my array 2. After that, starting index value, and the third argument is the destination array, that is array 3, and its start index value, and fifth one is the length of source array, that is array 2 dot length, for example, and that's it. But now I want to show the result of destination array. For that, I'm going to use for loop for this. I'm not going to show individual array. Let me make this thing comment over here so that we have clear output of our code. I'll make a for loop for int I, that is loop control variable, initialize with 0. I is less than array dot length, and I is increment, system out print array 3, its index value, that is I. Okay, now let's see what will be our output. Okay, now this is our output. As after reassigning the array 3, we have the size of arrays, that is 10, and we have 10 values, and array 2 having 5 values, 155, 144, 133, 155, and 166. These came here in the starting values, and rest is 0 because I initialized the array with size 10, and on the last 5 values are 0. We can make some changes over here. For example, I can change 2 and save and execute it again. Now in this case, the first two index values are 0, and now the starting value from where we fill our destination array with index value 2, that is index value 0 is 0, index value 1 is 0, and index value 2 from it stores some value from array, our source array to destination array till the end of that length of source array. I can also change the length of source array. For example, I want to only copy 3 values. Then I can change the length with 3. Then what happened? I have only 3 values in my destination array, starting from index value 0 to 2. Now I want to change some more thing. Let me check. I'm not sure that this thing will work fine. Okay, now I can skip first value because I start my source array from index value 1, that is 144, 133, and 155. Now in next video I am going to show you the working of 2D array in Java. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you.